5 wet cough treatments. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids such as water, warm tea to help loosen the thin mucus in the respiratory tract. Use a humidifier to take a hot shower to help moisten and soothe irritated airways. Take over-the-counter cough suppressants or expectorants as directed by the doctor or pharmacist. Use chest physical therapy such as percussion or vibration to help loosen muscle and improve airflow. Consider using natural remedies such as honey or eucalyptus oil which are help to soothe reduce coughing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.